During a chat, we ask the user for various information like name, email, phone, etc. As a human, we can process that information right away, but for a bot, we need to specify whether to store that information or not, and if so, under what name. For that reason, DeskuBots has an attribute node. It does the same. It stores the current chat session specified data under an attribute name. All the input nodes have an attribute option inside by default. But if you want to add manually, just add it in the flow and choose the attribute from the list. If the default list does not have the exact attribute you need, then you can create a custom attribute by clicking the Add Attribute button. The attribute's name can only contain alphanumeric characters, which are letters from A to Z, and numbers from 0 to 9. It does not support the blank space and special characters. If you still try to use them, then you could miss catching the data coming from the user. We can use Pascal case or camel case for the attribute name. Now, we can see our newly added attribute at the end of the list, under the Custom Attributes group. Select it and assign the value. Value can contain anything we can type. After assigning the value to the attribute, we can reuse that value anywhere later in the flow. Inside a message, for example. Wherever you see this bracket button, saved attribute values can be used there. Either click any of them, or manually type the attribute names inside the set of 2 curly brackets. Values can be overwritten anytime by reassigning to the same attribute. Now, when DeskuBot comes to that point during the chat, it will show the attribute's value inside a message.